Praktikum basis data lanjut. Bab 11. Creating Package. Tujuan pembelajaran pada bab ini yaitu mendeskripsikan package dan list komponen, membuat package untuk grup bersama variabel relasi, kursor, constraint, exception, prosedur, dan function, menunjuk package construct sebagai public atau private, invoke package construct, mendeskripsikan kegunaan bodiless package. Overview of package. Grup relasi PLSQL tipe, item, dan subprogram terdiri dari dua bagian yaitu specification dan body. Cannot be invoked, parameterized, or nested. Memperbolehkan Oracle Server untuk membaca multiple object di memori sekali. Component of package yaitu package specification dan package body. Pada package specification terdapat prosedur A declaration, public variable, public prosedur. Pada package body terdapat prosedur B definition, private variable, private prosedur. Prosedur A definition, public prosedur, dan local variable. Referencing package object. Package specification, prosedur A declaration, package body, prosedur B definition, prosedur A definition. Mengembangkan package. Yang pertama yaitu editor berupa kode, lalu SQL plus, meload dan menjalankan file SQL. Pada Oracle source code, compile, picode, lalu eksekusi. Mengembangkan package. Menyimpan teks dari pembuatan package statement di dua file SQL berbeda. Modification to the package. Spesifikasi package bisa eksis tanpa sebuah package body, tapi package body tidak bisa eksis tanpa sebuah package specification. Membuat package specification, sintaknya yaitu create or replace package. Package name is a public type and item declarations, subprogram specification, and package name. The replace option drop and decreate the package specification. Variable declared in the package specification are initialized or to null by default. All the contract declared in a package specification are visible to user who are granted privilege on the package. Deklarasi public construct. Yang pertama adalah gcom dan kedua resetcom, prosedur declaration. Creating package specification. Create or replace package. Com package is gcom number, prosedur resetcom, pcom in number, and com package. Gcom sebuah variabel dengan inisial 0,10. Resetcom adalah prosedur yang mengimplementasiin integer di package body. Creating the package body. Sintaknya create or replace package body. Package name is a private type and item declaration, subprogram bodies, and package name. The replace option drops and recreate the package body. Identifier defined only in the package body are private construct. They are not visible outside the package body. All private construct must be declared before they are used in the public construct. Public and private construct. Terdapat package specification, terdapat gcom, resetcom, prosedur declaration, package body terdapat validate.conf function definition, reset.conf procedure definition. Contohnya pada compact.sql. Create or replace package body compact is function validate invoking package construct. Contoh yang pertama yaitu invoke a function from a procedure within the same package. Pada baris if kotak berwarna merah yaitu validate compact.conf. Contoh yang kedua yaitu invoke a package procedure from ASQL class. Execute compact reset.conf. Invoke a package procedure in different schema. Execute Scott compact reset.conf. Invoke a package procedure in remote database. Execute compact reset.conf. Declaring a bodiless package. Create or replace package global const is mile to kilo, kilo to mile, yard to meter, meter to yard, and global constant. Execute DBMS output line 20 miles. Referencing a public variable from a standalone procedure. Contohnya, create or replace procedure meter to yard. Parameternya yaitu per meter in number, per yard out number. Removing package. Untuk menghapus package specification dan body, gunakan sintak drop package name. Untuk menghapus package body, gunakan sintak drop package body name. Guidelines for developing package. Construct package for general use. Define the package specification before the body. The package specification should contain only those constructs that you want to be public. Place items in the declaration part of the package body when you must mention them throughout a session or across transaction. Change to the package specification require recompilation of each referencing subprogram. The package specification should contain as few constructs as possible. Manfaat package. Modularity. Encapsulate related construct. Easier application design. Code and compile specification and body separately. Hiding information. Only declarations in the package specification are visible and accessible to application. Private constructs in the package body are hidden and inaccessible. All coding is hidden in the package body. Ini adalah keuntungan dari package. Selanjutnya itu added functionality, persistency of variable, and cursor. Better performance. The entire package is loaded into memory when the package is first referenced. There is only one copy in memory for all users. The dependency hierarchy is simplified. Overloading. Multiple subprogram of the same name. Sekian dan terima kasih.